She looked at me and she said, "Just wait. Tomorrow they're going to come for us." Because in her mind, that's what happened whenever there was a national problem. They came for the Jews.
I define Holocaust survivor as someone who lived through World War II and made it out alive. So first generation, not someone like me, but my parents who were able to survive.
The true survivors are those who not only survived the camps, but were able to start a new life and give life to a new generation, such as us.
You don't have to have been Jewish. You don't have to have lost personal family members to be connected to what that episode meant to humanity.
I think all of us feel very strongly about letting the next generation know.